Beer tourism is just huge, and we have some really unique beers. You just can't get it anywhere, you know. So people are looking for things like that, unique experiences, and they can find them here. We're a boutique nano brewery. We have about 13 taps on at all times. I think, you know, we're a very grassroots business in the sense that like we're a community focused business, and you know, we make the beers the community supports. And then we bring in a lot of different people because we do a lot of different kinds of beers too. We don't have any TVs, we're kind of proud of that. So it's like more of an old world atmosphere. People talk freely throughout the tables, and we like that about the place. A lot of people meet each other, you know. We have kind of an event-based gallery with its own bar and what we call the original tap room, which is in the original garage. So it's a cool little spot. One of the tags for our brand basically that a customer created was that if you don't know where it's at, you don't know where it's at. Yeah, we don't have a sign. You know, if you look around, you'll see people outside or something that might look like a beer house. That's us, you know, so.